Hello everyone, today let's talk about the Swift oil seal. This oil seal, the color is blue and it has with a spring. The size is internal diameter is 32 and the external diameter is 42. The sink is 7. The color is blue, the material is rubber. And we also have red-brown color. And we provide customers the service. This product has many following features. The first one is long service life, good brush resistance, and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud and water resistance, and this is applicable to heavy truck. And if you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries and we will send you the free samples. Our factory also provides customer service. We can customize this type, this size, and this color. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.